Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain, is Warmdale legit or a scam? Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I will share the way to get your money back. Talking about this website, Warmday is basically a website which deals in variety of products like lingerie, t-shirts, or maybe some home decor items, home beds and kitchen appliances as well. Such websites are very popular in United Kingdom, and this website is also based in one of those countries only. Now, talking about Warmday reviews, we will get to know everything about it after going through further research. So all these products are on a special like 50% off sale going on, and Halloween sale going on here. Moving further, let's talk about its we have talked about the product. Now talking about the price, I mean, like, the price of these products seems to be so good to be true. I mean, like, kitchen storage case just for rupees 14.99 pounds sterling. It's almost unbelievable. Now talking about the payment methods, the website has provided payment methods as American Express, debit cards, Maestro, PhonePe, and etc. Now, talking about its shipping policy, the shipping is done within 14 days, and the website says that they will just deliver you a message about that your order has been shipped. After that, you'll be receiving a track ID through which you can track your shipment, and they have not given a specific period of time that how much days it will take to deliver your product. Now, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative video. Now, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. Now, talking about the HTTPS protocol, we can clearly see that this website has a valid HTTP protocol. Talking further, we must check the age of the website. For that, we have gone through a website and we came to know that this website is exactly 1 year ago. It was registered on 30th October 2019, and that's a pretty good time for a website to be a legit. Now going through further, now let's go further and back to the website. Now, about the information of contact, the website has not provided with any physical address or contact number about it. So yeah, it is a little bit dubious. Talking about its social media presence, the website has provided links of Facebook handle, Twitter handle and Pinterest. Now going further, the website has not provided a email ID for asking solving your query. They have provided an email address where you can file your complaints regarding shipping issues. Now about return and exchange, you can return your product around 14 days after the product is delivered to you. And talking about the refund policies, so the refund is available within after the 14 days they have received the product. It will be transferred or whatsoever the payment mode was. And yeah, so that's it. So shipping charges will be deducted. I mean, like, when you will return the product, you will get the refund only on the product, and you have to pay the return shipping charges by yourself. If you have any views regarding its return or exchange policy, then please let us know. Talking about customer reviews, the website has provided some of the customer reviews, as you can see, and they seem to be like very promising. But we can't trust on customer reviews on the website only because they might be fake or paid. So we tried to go through other website for its reviews, and we found some of the reviews here. I mean, like many of them, but yeah, to be very honest, the website has very poor reviews. As you can see, 94% have claimed this website to be a fraud one. Everybody is so angry about its shipping policy, return policy, about its products, that these products came damaged to them. So yeah, customer clearly doesn't seem to be happy with the products of this website. Now going back to our main website, so now we are here to talk about the website content quality. So yeah, it is pretty much unmanageable because they have not at all categorized their products into any of the categories. So their website content quality seems really very poor. So we, according to us, according to our unbiased review, we claim this website to be a potentially legit one. We can't claim it to be a scam because yeah, people have bought from it and some of them have received it as well. But we will still recommend our readers to go through a research before buying from this website. But if you have ever faced any kind of scam from this website, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thoughts about this video. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like the video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today and do share this video with your friends. Be informed, be safe.